Okay. Good good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everybody, depending on which part of the world you are in. My name is Benjamin and I'm here to continue my series on crypto trading and crypto investment. So today we are going to do something different. Today I want us to do something practical, because at least by now everybody that has been following knows what Bitcoin is, know what cryptocurrencies are, know what the blockchain is, and that is enough to move to the next stage, because I want us to study or learn and make money together. So today we are going to start the money making studies. Then we will do it hand in hand. We'll do the education where we teach what this is, what that is, definitions, advantages, whatever. Then we also teach the practical way, how to actually apply the information or knowledge gained to actually make money. Okay, so without much ado, let me just dive in. Today we are going to learn how to create wallets. So wallets are basically, I don't want to use difficult words. So wallets are like your wallet. You have a wallet, you have money inside, you put money in it. The same way, crypto world, there's a place or there's a system, an algorithmic system that allows you to store your cryptocurrency in a secured, safe environment. So when you have a wallet, you can store your cryptocurrencies there and move them as and when you please. You can send, you can receive, you can transfer any way, anyhow, you can have that. But not all wallets are safe. We have different types of wallets. We have the hard copy, or should I say the hard wallets, the soft wallets. Those are the online wallets. We have all that, but I'm not going to go into that. I'm not going to go into the technicalities today. I want us to do the practicals. So the wallets that we are going to work with, and I am going to leave a link in the description, in the caption. I'm going to leave a link. So when you click on that link, it will take you to Coinbase. And it's my link with Coinbase. So I have a link, a referral code with Coinbase. So when you click on that and you create the wallet and you buy Bitcoin above 600 cedis, you will get 58 cedis for free. So you buy, and that's pretty much $10. So you will buy more than 600 cedis. It's for you, it's not for anybody. And you will get 58 cedis free, and that is good. So you click on that link, you buy, you register with Coinbase, and you buy Bitcoin. So some of the wallets that I will recommend are, the first one I will recommend is blockchain. So let me open the wallet I have so that it makes sense to a lot of people. Let me open blockchain. So this is blockchain. Where's the camera? Okay. So this is blockchain. So when you see that's their logo, so that's blockchain. When you buy with blockchain, or when you register with blockchain, I would say they are one of the most secured wallets, if not the most secured. They are definitely one of the most secured wallets. Blockchain is basically the grandfather of Bitcoin. It is on their Explorer that you can see your transactions before they actually reach your account. So blockchain is one. Two, Coinbase. So Coinbase is what I will let people register with. And it has to work. So without much ado, I'm tired, but we'll do it. Without much ado, let's just go into the Coinbase part. So Coinbase is I would say they are one of the most diversified companies when it comes to cryptocurrency. They are very, very diversified. Very, very diversified in terms of the fact that they own a lot of other subsidiaries. They are very big, hence very safe. So this is Coinbase. Let me open Coinbase. So this is Coinbase. This is Coinbase. Yes, so this is Coinbase. This is how it will look when you buy from Coinbase or when you register with Coinbase. So this is where people will be registering. So let me put the code. Let me put my code, and that code, when you click on it to register with Coinbase and buy more than 600 cedis worth of Bitcoin, you will get 58 cedis for free. Extra 58 cedis on top of your 600 cedis or more. Your 600 cedis or more money, more crypto that you want to buy. So I'm going to leave the description in my. I'm gonna leave the link in my description. So let me go and just do that one very quick. Coinbase link below. So I'm adding it to the video as we speak. Okay, so I've added it. So anybody that is interested in using Coinbase and earning $10 extra could click on the link. The third wallet I would recommend is Trust Wallet. So Trust Wallet comes with Binance. Binance is hands down the biggest crypto exchange in the world in terms of trading. They are the biggest, the largest in terms of market cap. Even the second, which is Kraken, that doesn't even come close to Binance. Binance, no exchange has more coins to trade than Binance. Binance is the biggest, hands down. So Binance has their wallet, which is the Trust Wallet. Do I have Trust Wallet? I don't use Trust Wallet because I have Binance. Yes, I don't think I have the Trust Wallet, but I have Binance. So, and what you can keep money in your. Okay, I have Trust Wallet, but I don't use it. So this is how Trust Wallet looks like. So this is Binance's Trust Wallet, and with Trust Wallet you can receive money directly or cryptocurrency directly from any from someone who has blockchain, someone who has Coinbase, someone who has Binance, someone anywhere, as long as they have Bitcoin or Ethereum or any coin that your wallet accepts tokens from, you are good to go. You are good to go. So the third I will give to Trust Wallet stroke Binance. So these three are the three wallets that I would recommend. The fourth one that I will recommend in terms of buying Bitcoin. So now you have your wallet, you want to buy Bitcoin. The third one I will recommend is Paxful. Yes, the fourth one I will recommend is Paxful. So Paxful is PAXFUL. So let me open Paxful. Yes, let me open Paxful. I particularly like Paxful because of the fact that it's a peer-to-peer website. So peer-to-peer simply means that you can buy Bitcoin from people across the world, from different people across the world, and it's safe because when you are trying to buy Bitcoin, Paxful would hold the funds in escrow, the Bitcoin you are trying to buy in escrow until you pay, and when you pay the person will accept the payment and will authorize Paxful to release. So when you pay and the person runs away, Paxful has held their money, so they can release the money to you if you make an appeal. So that makes it very safe for me. I've used it close to 2 years now. I've never had any issues with it. It's good, it's nice, it's perfect, and you can also keep it as a wallet. So when you buy the Bitcoin, you can actually keep it in Paxful so that when Bitcoin appreciates, it appreciates with it. And one thing I like about Paxful is their Bitcoin rate, or their Bitcoin percentage increase is quite higher. There are some websites like eToro, some websites that Bitcoin might be around 50,000, then they will be around 49,000. It's all gimmicks. But with Paxful, when it's 50,000, sometimes there's even 50,500, which is very good. They are up to date with how Bitcoin rises and decreases. They are up to date with that, so it's very good. In August last year, I left 200 cedis, 230 cedis in my Paxful account, 230 cedis in my Paxful account in Bitcoin. I just left it there. I wasn't even using Paxful because that time I was more focused on trading Binance. So I just left it there after I'd done some transfer, and that was the surplus. I just left it. I went, I think last week to check, and it was around 1,212. So I had gained 1,000 cedis extra, just 1,212, yes. And I just withdrew my 1,000 cedis and I was good to go. So yes, it really works. Paxful is really good. So you can download. Oh, did I show you Paxful? Hold on. So you can pretty much download Paxful. This is how it looks. This is how Paxful looks. So that's my account. I don't have anything in it now. This is how Paxful looks. So with Paxful, you can buy the Bitcoin from different vendors. So when you register with Paxful, you just verify. After registration, they will ask you to verify. You verify with your passport. I recommend passport and license. If you have a passport and license, it's quicker. Or the national ID. The voters, not really good. But the passport, license and national ID works. I highly recommend the license and the passport. Then you just take a selfie. In a matter of minutes, you get verified and you are good to go. You just go to buy Bitcoin, and I'll show you. You go to buy Bitcoin, and when you go to buy Bitcoin, there are over 350. This thing is not focusing. Hold on. How do I make this thing focus? Okay, well, it's not focusing. Let me take it back a bit. There are over 350 ways to get your money to buy Bitcoin. 350 payment methods. I personally like using mobile money, MTN mobile money or Vodafone Cash. It's easier and safer. And there are different people, different vendors who are available. So all these are vendors ready to so I'm at buy Bitcoin. Yes, they are ready to sell to you. All these people are ready to sell Bitcoin to you. They are ready to sell Bitcoin to you. So if I go to, let's say, let me see, hold on. If I go to, let's say, the first one, and I start, so it's loading. Yes, and I say that, oh, I want to buy let's say 200 cedis worth of Bitcoin. I will get 203 cedis because he's buying a little above the dollar. Then I go to buy now, and when I go to buy now, a trade starts. So a trade starts. So when the trade starts, I can chat with the person. His information, his instructions are here. I just go in. He says that open trade, wait for me to drop my Momo number, do not mark as paid until you have truly paid. So this one I will pay. I want to show how it works. So this one I'll pay it. So I'm waiting for him to drop his Momo number. If he drops it, I'll send it and I'll receive the Bitcoin. So when he does, I will do that. So let's just continue. So this is escrow. This is Paxful. Okay, so now let me put that one aside. So with all these wallets that I've mentioned, blockchain, Coinbase, Trust, Paxful, you can pretty much store your Bitcoin there. Now, when you store the Bitcoin there, what happens? You just leave it. This is for investors. You just want to invest, so you leave it. Just leave it. Don't touch it, leave it for a month, 2 months, come back and be shocked. Come back and be shocked. So that's for investors. For traders, this is a place you can keep your investments and your profits. So now let's move straight into trading. So the difference between investment or investing and trading is investing is for the longer term, or for the middle to long term, medium to long term. So when you invest, you are pretty much keeping your money somewhere so that the trade, however the market goes, affects your investment. So if the market goes high, and it's called bear and bull. So the bullish market is when the market rises and is good and the prices are skyrocketing or soaring. That is bull market. The bear market or the bearish market is when it goes down. So green is up, buying, people are buying. So the more people buy, the more the price goes up. That is buying. Sell is red. When people sell, the price goes down. So that is the bearish market. So when the market is bearish over a longer period of time, whatever value is added to the coin that you have invested in reflects in your investment. So if you bought Bitcoin when it was last year March, by this time last year, one Bitcoin was around $6,000. If you had bought one Bitcoin for $6,000 and left it, didn't even trade, you just invested and left it through to now, you will be sitting on $50,000. $50,000. In fact, let me take you to cities. If you had bought one Bitcoin, which was around 34,000 cedis, that's 340 million old Ghana cedis. Today, you will be sitting on around 290,000 cedis, or 2.9 billion old Ghana cedis. More than 500 or so percent. More than that. So that is that. So without even contemplating whether or not you should, this should be a motivator. This alone should be the reason why you invest. So that is that. So when you invest, how trade goes is how your money gets appreciated, or it appreciates. Now, trading is different. So with trading, we invest on short-term basis. So it's for short-term profit, because coins are always appreciating and depreciating in value. They lose, they gain. It's called volatility. So they are very, very volatile. So when you buy, so in this morning, let's say Bitcoin was around, you woke up and Bitcoin was around $46,000, okay? And maybe you bought $1,000 of it, and it jumps to, let's say, $50,000 or $55,000. That is roughly around 6-7%, 8% jump. That percentage jump affects your investment. So if you have $1,000 in it and Bitcoin jumps 10%, you have made $100. If you had $10,000 in it and Bitcoin jumps 10%, you have made $1,000. So trading is making money off the depreciation and appreciation of the stock or of the assets and keeping it. So that volatility is happening every time. So you can make money off that volatility in the shortest period of time. So if you are making $10, it went to 47, it came to 48, you made $10. You bought it at 47, you sold it at 48, you've made $10. Then you take the $10 out, you wait for it to go down, or you check another coin moved from 1 to 2, you've made $20. So that form of trading is called scalp trading. That form of trading is you making money here and there and culminating or combining that money to become a bigger profit or bigger dividends for you. So that is trading. So with trading is what affects investment. So people that trade are the people that pretty much make the market go up or down, and that in turn affects the investor's investment. You get it? So rather than being an investor to make money off the long term, and don't get me wrong, you can make money off investment. So let me put it this way, let me put it in this perspective. Let me open an info book and give you this facts, and these are facts. You can cross check. These are facts. So first fact, hold on, let me search for. So first fact, if you had invested $1,000 1 year ago in March last year, thereabouts, in the beginning of last year, 2020, if you had invested $1,000, okay, if you had, okay, I think the guy has, oh, I can't complete this trade. I'm using the phone for the, okay, I can't, so let me leave it. Okay, so if you had invested $1,000 in crypto last year, you had invested $1,000 in Bitcoin, today your money will be worth $5,500. That's one. If you had invested $1,000 today, your money would have been $5,500. If you had invested in Ethereum, your money would have been $7,300, the same $1,000. If you had invested in Polkadot, your money would have been $11,600, the same $1,000. If you had invested $1,000 in Polkadot last year, your money today would have been $11,600, and this is for investors. If you had invested Cardano, now Cardano, oh, I'm coming to Cardano. Let's just move on. If you had invested in Cardano, that is ADA, Cardano, your profit margin or your profit would have been your money would have been $16,000 now. $16,000, from $1,000 to $16,000 in just 1 year. If you had invested in XRP, that is Ripple, your money would have been $1,980, the same $1,000. If you had invested in Litecoin, your money would have been $3,300. If you had invested in Chainlink, your money would have been $7,500. And these are the main coins that pretty much everybody that trades or invests chooses to invest in. The highest, of course, is Cardano, which I will come to very soon. So that lets you know that investment is not bad. You can just keep it. But with trade, you make money on the fluctuations of the prices. So you can make triple these amounts in a year. Triple, even 10 times these amounts in a year. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is purely for educational purposes. Purely for educational purposes. When you trade, it is risky. It comes at a risk. Trading is not without risk. Trading is risky. You need to know what you are doing. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. But the more you trade, the more you learn the system, the more you learn and commit your ways to studying the system, you can know the technical analysis. They are called TA, technical analysis. Those are the things we use to measure and to inform ourselves more on a technical basis to enter into a trade, stay in a trade, and exit a trade. So when you know your technical analysis, you are sure to minimize losses and maximize profit. Yes, you will have losses, but when you know what you are doing, you can minimize your losses to the barest minimum and maximize your profits, thereby striking the average and gaining more dividends as the days go by. So basically, that is it. The platform that I use to trade the most is called Binance. So let me show you Binance. So this is Binance. Hold on. Okay, so this is Binance. Let me clean the screen. Okay, this is Binance. So this is the platform that I use to trade, and it's hands down the best. Hands down the best. You can buy cryptocurrency literally any time, and you can sell, and the person will pay you to your mobile money in minutes. So this is my Binance exchange. So let's say that now Bitcoin is down by negative 4.7%, and it's trading at around $49,150. So let me click on Bitcoin. I enter the trade. So from here you would see, so it was up from here, it came down. You see it came down, and now it's trying to get up again. You see, so if you had bought it, let's say, let me go somewhere and show. Good. So let me use here. So let me come a bit closer. If you had bought it at this region, you try and turn it. It doesn't turn. Let me go to full screen. Good. This is full screen. Perfect. So if you had bought it around this region, okay, when it was down here, and you were trading, and it got to this region, and when it went up, you would have made profit. So this is trading. So this is how it goes. And when you had bought it here, you take your profits, and when it comes down here, you buy and wait till it goes up. So that is trading. You buy low, you sell high. You buy low, you sell high. So this is for Bitcoin. There are hundreds of other coins that we trade every day. So these are, hold on, let me go to the spot market. These are all markets. These are my favorites. No, let me go to the normal market. So these are all, hold on, let me categorize. Okay, so these are all markets. So I've categorized them into the ones that are booming in bullish mode, and the ones that are in bearish mode, they are selling. So these are all markets you can enter in and trade and make profits. Just count. Amazing. So let me take the first one. If you were trading Ergo, so Ergo is this one. If you were trading Ergo, and it's not even close to its all-time high, it's around here, but it has done 79% up here. So if you had put in $1,000, okay, if you had put in $1,000, you would have had $1,700 this morning, just like that, because it's gone up by 79%. Now, and it's not even at its all-time high yet. Its all-time high, it was at 460, so it's not even at its all-time high yet. And it went to its all-time high around 10 a.m. So it went to over 100% around 10 a.m. So that is an example. So all these are trades. All these are trades that you can enter. So if you want to make money, you go, I personally, this is what I do. I go to the ones that are in red, search for coins that make sense. Not all coins make sense. Some coins don't make sense. They are called shit coins. But the good coins, the gold coins, the real coins, you read about them. So for example, AD Cardano is in the red, is in minus. But in February alone, last month, Cardano made close to 300%, more than 300% in increase. So it was, yes, around 300% or so, if I'm not mistaken. Definitely more than 150% increase. So if you had $1,000 in Cardano, you wake up and your money is around 2,500. In fact, way more. If you had bought it in last year, September, October, and you had bought $1,000, you will wake up to your money being $4,000. If you had bought $10,000, you wake up with your money being over $40,000 to $60,000, even more, way more. But I'm just trying to mitigate it because I'm not really sure, but it's way more. In February alone, it jumped. Now it is at $1.20, and it was at 30 cents some few months back. 60 cents some few months back. You get the drift. Let's continue. So now Cardano is in the red. But why would I buy Cardano when it's in the red? This is how traders trade. So you need to research crazily. If you want to trade and you are lazy, I beg you, don't trade. Trading is not gambling. Gambling is just using your guts. This one will do what? No. To trade as a professional is not gambling. You need to research. Let me show you some of my books. Then when I'm done, let me show you some of my books. So this is a book I'm reading on blockchain. This is one of them. This is blockchain, the next everything. Let me hold it well. Blockchain, the next everything. There's this one, blockchain revolution. Then there is this one, Bitcoin billionaires. And these are just even copies I'm reading. I like reading online more than I read offline. I like reading online more because that one you can get the actual information in real time. The actual information in real time. So you have to research. So Cardano, why would I buy Cardano when it's in negative? So in February, Cardano made announcements that they will be upgrading to a level. It's called Merrifork. That's the next level of upgrade. And that would make Cardano fully decentralized. Decentralized means that's why cryptocurrencies are there to be decentralized, so that no government controls it. And Cardano is heading towards becoming the first fully decentralized coin on the blockchain, on all blockchains. So the next upgrade was in March 1st. I hope you are getting it. The next upgrade was in March 1st. Now with this upgrade, if this upgrade goes smoothly, which it started going smoothly, a lot of coins, so coins are developed with smart chains or smart contracts. A lot of these coins are developed on Ethereum. Ethereum is the second largest company or coin in terms of market cap, right below Bitcoin. Some months ago, Cardano was around 5th, 6th, 7th. So let me put it in perspective. When you these coins, for them to register all the other coins, they are called altcoins. Altcoins are the other coins apart from the main coin, Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the main major coins. All other coins, altcoins, alternative coins, they are there. Those coins, most of them ride on Ethereum or Ethereum's network, okay? But Ethereum's network is very, very expensive in terms of transactions. It's called gas fees. The fees you pay for a transaction is outrageous. So Cardano, the co-founder of Ethereum, left Ethereum to start Cardano. Listen very carefully. So when and it's called Charles Hopkins. Is that his name? Charles, let me get the name right. Something Hopkins. I don't want to give misinformation. I know he's Charles Hoskinson. Yes, Charles Hoskinson. So this is the founder of Cardano. Let me let it open well. Yes, this is the founder of Cardano. Charles Hoskinson. So he left Ethereum to start Cardano because there were a lot of problems with Ethereum. The charges were high. It was pretty much slower than they expected. A lot of issues. And when he started Cardano, in less than 2-3 years, Cardano has risen close to 500% more than Ethereum. In fact, Cardano now is the third highest coin in terms of market cap. Third. So there's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, and there's Cardano. And what is good about it is that Bitcoin is number one with $50,000 thereabouts. Ethereum is number two with $1,400, $1,500 in value per one Ethereum. Per one Bitcoin is $50,000 per one. $1,500 per one Ethereum. Cardano is third by one Cardano being $1.20. Listen very carefully. So one Cardano is $1.20, and it is with that they are third. So imagine if Cardano, the value of one Cardano moves to $10 or $12. That is 10 times the value of Cardano. So if you buy Cardano now and it's at $1.20, and Cardano moves to $12 per one Cardano, your investment has moved 10 times. The market cap of Cardano will move 10 times. You get it? It will move 10 times. 1 minute. So, when it moves 10 times, it means that you would gain 10 times your investment. 10 times your investment. Now, this is the good thing about it. One, when for Bitcoin to move 10 times, it means that we have to wait for Bitcoin's value to move from $50,000 to $500,000. And that will take years to happen, because the market cap of Bitcoin now is around 900 billion to $1 trillion. For it to move to $10 trillion, there has to be more money or investment coming in. Now, for Cardano to move from $1.20 to $12, that is faster, shorter, and more doable in a shorter period of time than for 50,000 to go into 500,000. I hope you are getting the drift. So investing in Cardano, if you had bought $1,000 Cardano and just left it last year, your money will be $16,000 today. If you had bought $10,000 Cardano last year, your money will be $160,000. If you had bought Cardano $1,000 in just February last month, your money would be around $2,300 now. And that is just because they are upgrading. They announced that they were upgrading in February. The upgrade happened in March 1st. And now that the upgrade has happened, it means that a lot of these coins that are suffering on the Ethereum network because of gas fees and all that can easily shift because of something called Ethereum converter. They can shift ERC20 converter. So they are on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20. So they can shift from the ERC20 to Cardano ADA's network using the ERC converter. That alone is enough motivation to have a lot of these coins shift from Ethereum onto Cardano, and that shift will mean larger market cap and larger market value and larger market share, thereby increasing the value of the shares that you buy in Cardano. Oh, this is amazing. Let me give an example. So Binance, they have a coin. It's called BNB. Binance started their own smart chain like Ethereum, and they were hosting coins on it. So Ethereum is valuable because you are able to host other coins. Other coins are able to host their projects on Ethereum. But Ethereum is expensive in terms of gas fees and transaction fees. Now, with Binance Smart Chain, it was cheaper. Listen, last month alone, BNB, Binance coin, moved from $40 to in fact, it moved from $40 to $300 around there at its peak. How many $40 can make $300? Let's calculate 40, so that's one. So 40 to 80, 80 to 122, that's 200%. 120 to 160, 300%. 160 to 200, 400%. 200 to 240, 500%. 240 to 80. It has moved close to 600%. Yeah, from last year. So if you had bought BNB $1,000, you would have had around $6,000 now. In fact, last month alone, it moved close to 170%. Why? Because they have also started their smart chain that other coins, so coins like Bake, Cake, Pancake Swap, a lot of coins, SFP, Lit, BTCST, Dodo, a lot of coins are on the smart chain of Binance, and that's because of that fact. There's a lot of transactions, there's a lot of market value, there's a lot of money being exchanged there that increases the value. Now Cardano has also started their smart network, or their chain, to host other coins, and they did that in 1st of March. So imagine what is about to happen. Just imagine. That's just a fair breakdown. Just imagine. So this is what we are going to do. We are all going to register. Those that want me to trade for them, you can inbox me, you can message me, and I'll give you the terms and conditions, and we trade together. I have a pool of funds that we all trade and share the profits among ourselves. But if you want to trade yourself, and a disclaimer, I am not forcing anybody to send me money. No, you can trade yourself, because I'm here to teach you to trade yourself or to have me trade for you. You are not under any obligation to send funds to be traded for you. You can trade yourself at your own risk. It is your own responsibility at your own risk. So that is it. So I want everybody to register Binance on Binance. Register on Binance. So for those that want to trade for themselves, register on Binance. Go to not Binance US, no, Binance. www.binance.com. Register there on your laptop, on your phone. Go to www.binance.com. In fact, let me go there so that I show how it looks. www.binance.com. Yes. Okay. All right. So this is how it looks. www.binance.com. You go to register and you register. Oh, it's too bright. Good. So you go to register and you register your email address, your password, all the information. Very simple, very fast. You go there, you register. You can choose to verify or not. So when you verify, they raise your, is secure to verify. So please verify your account with your passport, your license, whichever way. Verify. And when you verify, go and buy Bitcoin. So let me go and show you. So when you verify, this is for those that want to trade themselves. So for those that want to trade themselves, please listen to me. This is your time. You don't have to send me your funds. No, if you want to trade yourself, I am here for you. I'll give you all the gist. All the gist. If you want me to trade for you too, I trade for you and take my commission. But if you want to trade for yourself, listen to me right now. So go to Binance, you register. After you are done registering, this is how you buy Cardano. We are all buying Cardano. We are all buying Cardano. It is Cardano that we are buying. ADA. So when you are done, I'll show my wallet for Cardano very soon. But wait, when you are done, you go to, this is what will come when you register. So this is what will come. You download the Binance app. So let me go to my Play Store. If you're using Apple too, you go to your App Store and you type in Binance, not Binance US, Binance, not Binance US, Binance, not Binance US. So this is what will come, Binance. So this is the Binance that will come. Yes, this is Binance. Then you install. When you install, you open. When you open, this is what comes. So this is Binance. When you open and it comes like this, you go to trade. Underneath here, we have home, market, trade, futures wallet. Please don't go to futures. We have not reached there yet. Please stay at markets and trade. So you go to markets, you see markets, then on top here you see all the markets. But before you go into markets, you need to buy Bitcoin or USDT. So Bitcoin, there are certain coins that you can buy to buy other coins. Those coins are Bitcoin, USDT, BUSD. Let's stick with these three. These three are enough. Or let me add Ethereum. So you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, that is Tether, Tether, or Tether or Tether. Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Tether, or which one is the fourth one? BUSD, Binance USD. So USDT and BUSD are stable coins. Stable coins are coins that mirror normal currencies. They don't go up, they don't go down. They stay within a very considerable range to the dollar. So they are 1:1 with the dollar. So when you get your profit, it is advisable and wise to convert it to a stable coin so that you don't lose your profit. So if you get profits in Cardano and you convert it to Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes down, your profit goes down. But if you get profit in Cardano and convert it to USDT, it doesn't go down. If you convert it to BUSD, it doesn't go down. So these 4 coins you can use to buy Cardano. How do you buy these coins? You go to home. Normally, I personally like P2P. P2P trading is the best. P2P is peer-to-peer. So peer-to-peer, you come here, all these people are selling and buying coins. So since I want to buy, if you want to buy USDT or BTC or BUSD or BNB or Ethereum or DAI, that's fine. I'll recommend BTC, that's Bitcoin, USDT, that's Tether, BUSD, that's Binance US dollar, or BNB. These are the 4 coins I'll recommend, and Ethereum, of course. So if you want to buy USDT, this person is selling it at 5.73 Ghana cedis, 1 USDT. So you go to buy, you click on buy. This account is not verified. Okay, so I can buy. I can buy with the one I'm doing the video on, but since I'm doing the video, I can't use that. So basically, you go to buy. When you verified your account, you go to buy. You click on, you type in the amount you want to buy. Then the seller will come online. They will ask you for your mobile. Your mobile money details are already there. When you register, they will ask you to add your payment method. They will see it. They will send you the money via mobile money instant. When you receive the money, when they receive the money, sorry, I'm talking about selling. It's buying you are doing. So when you are buying, you will see their mobile money details or bank details or whichever way you are using to buy. You send the money to them. After you send the money, a part will come that is they've written transferred next. So when you click on transferred next, it means that you have transferred the money. So you are moving to the next option. The buyer or the person that is selling to you, the seller, will acknowledge the receipt and release the funds. Now here is where it's even better. Before the buyer buys and the seller sells, the amount that you would indicate that you are selling will be taken out of the seller's account and put in escrow by Binance. So the seller cannot defraud you and the seller cannot lie to you. When you make payment and you click on you have made payments, transferred next, the buyer sees it and has to confirm. If they don't confirm, their money is already stuck in escrow, so they have lost anyways. When they confirm, they receive their money and you get your transfer. Very simple. And Binance will always reverse monies that you have transferred and the buyer was being a liar. And honestly, on P2P Binance, there has not been such serious situations. Whenever there's a situation, Binance solves it. So it's the best way to buy Bitcoin. So when you buy Bitcoin or you buy USDT or you buy BUSD or you buy Ethereum, now you come back to the P2P. So you open your P2P. After you are done buying, the money will come into your P2P balance. It will come into your P2P balance. Then you will click on transfer. When you click on transfer, you will move the money from your P2P balance to your spot balance. From P2P to spot. Spot is SPOT. From P2P to spot balance. Spot balance is where you would use your money to trade. So we have spot balance, P2P balance, margin balance. Under margin we have cross margin, isolated margin, we have futures and all that, but we are using spot today. None of those. So you will move the money from P2P to spot wallet or spot account. When you move it to your spot account will be here. This is my funds, so it will be here. You will see that I have bought Cardano. All my money is in Cardano. Cardano is ADA. All my money is in Cardano, ADA. So you will come to where is it? Trade. So you will click on trade. No, you come to markets first. You will click on markets. You see markets. Markets is here. You come to markets. Then at the top you search for ADA. That is the coin name for Cardano's coin. ADA. So we search for ADA, and all these comes. All the pairings for ADA. ADA is paired with Bitcoin, is paired with Ethereum, is paired with USDT, with Euro, with TUSD, with BRL, with GP. It is paired with over 10 coins. You would choose the coin you have bought to buy the ADA. So if you bought Bitcoin, you will choose ADA/BTC. If you bought USDT, you will choose ADA/USDT. If you bought BUSD, you will trade, or you will choose ADA/BUSD. So since you are going to buy, all of you are going to buy either Bitcoin or USDT, you choose ADA/USDT. Please don't choose ADA down or ADA up. That is for futures contract. Futures contract. I will teach that later, not today. Don't buy ADA down or ADA up. That is the first two that will come. Don't buy that one. I beg you. Buy ADA that is paired with the coin that you have bought. So the third one is ADA/USDT. You choose that one, it opens the trade. So now you see ADA has come down. It's come down, and I'm happy that it has come down. This is the best time for everybody to buy. Buy ADA, buy ADA. I beg you, buy ADA. You will not regret it. Buy ADA. So you go to buy, you click on buy, you choose the amount that you want to buy. Here, you choose it here. You will see it here. At this place, please choose, when you go here, at the buy sell, under it there is market limit, stop limit, OCO. Market limit, stop limit, ACO. Please choose limit. Choose limit, not stop limit. Limit, not stop limit. So when you choose limit, you will come and buy with the amount that you have bought. So if you want to choose 100% of your amount, you go here and you click on this, and it will be green all out, meaning you choose 100%. If you want to buy with 50% of the amount that you bought, you go to 50 or 75%. Sorry, then you buy, you click on here, the buy ADA, you click on buy ADA, your order will come here and it will fill up. When it fails, it will tell you that your order has been failed, meaning your order has been processed. Then you will come to wallets. When you go to wallets, you will then see your ADA underneath your balance. So this will be your balance and this will be your ADA. And you can see ADA is the only coin that I have bought. It's down and I've bought it. My money is going down, but I am not even bothered because it is going to shoot. So that is that. So that is what we are going to do today. Please buy AD. If you want me to trade for you too, inbox me or call me or WhatsApp me on 02. Yes, please WhatsApp me. Don't call me. WhatsApp me. Please WhatsApp me on 0242. If you're outside Ghana, R+233 0242 777 898. Or you can message me in my messenger section on Facebook. You can message me. This is for people that want me to trade for them. If you want to trade yourself, please go by the instructions I have given. If you need more clarity, you can message me in my on Messenger, Facebook Messenger. You can message me and I will reply. Please go by the instructions and buy Cardano. Buy Cardano. Those that want to register their wallet, I've left the description. I've left the link in my description, in the caption. The link is there. Click on that link and it will take you to Coinbase. When you buy or when you register with Coinbase, you can buy Bitcoin, and when you buy the Bitcoin, if you buy more than 600 cedis, you will get 58 cedis for free. That is the end of today's lesson. In the next lesson, we are going to learn more trading techniques and more investment techniques, because this is just one aspect of trading, buying and holding. It is one aspect. There's scalp trading, there's swing trading, there's shorting, there's long. There are a lot. There's futures. There's a lot. There's launch pool. There's staking, a lot. You can even give out loans. You can take loans from crypto markets. You can keep your money there, your Bitcoin there, and take a loan using your Bitcoin as collateral, and still be able to earn money from your Bitcoin that is there. It's amazing. I'll leave that one for now. So thank you for listening to me, and do have a great day and start trading, and let's start making money together. Thank you and have a great day.